Hello and welcome to another day in Qatar, Doha. So, if you happen to visit Doha, Qatar, this is a must visit. It's called Clesto City or Cresto City. I don't know. Where I come from, we have problem of L and R. So, the place is absolutely free to. It's next to Qantas, the place I visited earlier. It's a walking distance, actually a walking distance. I didn't know, so I took an Uber and I just realized it's like 1 minute walk from Qantas. So the place looks so nice. These artificial trees or whatever, they are so beautiful. And at night, it gets even better because they usually have different colors. And on the floor, you can see some small whatever, I don't know what they are. They have crystals of different things. They are nature, aircraft, blah 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 blah. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be going to a different place. Make sure you like, share, subscribe so you can see the next video. And before I left the place, I took some few photos. These are the pictures that I took, and see you on the next video as I take you around Doha. Goodbye.